Okay guys, for some reason that ended the video there. The part 1. So we're making this a series. I think my phone might be full of storage again. I gotta check. I don't know why else it would be doing that. I know on my other phone it did that when it was full. So guys over here, show you guys more of what's going on. I mean, it's just never ending. I'd be surprised if we don't have a corroded line from manure. I mean, there's just so much. I think this tractor's ever been washed. But we're gonna fry it up for you guys and see if I can get on video where it's leaking. Because I'd rather have my phone under here than my eyes or my body and get covered in hydraulic fluid. So